How to make an acrylic fitting tray. Firstly, place the acrylic plate with the lid at the bottom. Secondly, place the long acrylic strip on top and fix it with glue. Thirdly, place another long acrylic strip in place, then fix it with glue. Fourthly, rotate the product 90 度. Fix the short acrylic strip onto 2 long acrylic strips. Fifth, rotate the product 180. Fix the short acrylic strip onto 2 long acrylic strips. Sixth, place the acrylic positioning block on top. Finally, fix the last piece of acrylic strip with glue against the acrylic positioning block.